Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
This is me again, Roja Briner, ang inyong alidog. Lipstick lang ang katapat. Today vlogs, I'm going to unboxing my glue or my lucky charm. Somebody who gave me this lucky charm. And guys, but don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos. Yeah. Okay, let's start now. I show you what is this. Wait, guys. So guys, there we go, guys. I'll show you. So guys, this is Lucky Charm here in Germany or even in the Philippines. I don't know. I'm very happy. So Douglas is here. I will show you guys first. So Douglas is here and Lucky, they trying to watch. Ayan guys, so they are waiting me. But guys, ayan, let's do it now, our lucky charm. So so guys, you see, I show you. Let's see. So one by one. So first guys, this is my favorite. You know, this is guys, taran. So I have two pieces, guys. Let's open this frog here is lucky. So guys, let it see. OMG. There we go, guys. Showering. So bathtub. He's doing a bathtub or she's doing a bathtub. Ayan, diba? Very beautiful. Diba, guys? Lucky. And the most important one is very I love it. I love this one, guys. I will show you the other one. So ayan guys, let's put in here. So ayan, you see this here. And now let's get the another one. So guys, I will show you first the receipt. Oh, they have a receipt, guys. Oh my god, guys. Ayan. I will show you. I bought this. Or somebody give me this. There is the receipt, but I don't want to tell you how much. So there we go, guys. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Look at this, guys. This we're doing every day also. So I show you guys, very beautiful and very lucky. So we need to put here coins or 1 cent, 2 cents or 3 cents, whatever, because this is really lucky, guys. We need to put it. Charan. Still Prague is lucky. And look at what she doing, guys. She making a toilet or she doing a toilet. There we go. So guys, here we can put the cents. Okay, so this is lucky, very lucky, that guys. You see what she doing while she doing the poop. She making or she using her cell phone. Ayan, so diba beautiful siya. So ayan guys, I show you all. Ayan, diba? So, pakita ko sa inyo where I'm going to put. So, let's go, guys. Come on. So, ayan, guys. Diba? Beautiful siya. I put in here. Ayan. O, diba? Beautiful siya ngayon. Guys, alam nyo ba? This is really lucky. Believe me. This is good luck or lucky because of she doing a poop with the toilet. And this is okay. This is normal. But the lucky is really is. So, ayan mga kalindog. Of course, I forgot. Yan, meron siyang hole or you can put here like, for example, the coins. Did you see? Yan, tanggalin natin yung coins. or something like your ring if you wanna put in your room. Ayan mga kaling. So ayan. So meron tayong for example mga lucky charm. Ayan, or if you wanna for example give this geschenk, or what did you call that, eine gift. So you can put here the ring or something. Ayan. Oh, they falling easy. Ayan. I don't know what is that falling. Well, because maybe something inside. Ayan. Nahuhulog yung kanyang chalk. So ayan. And anyways, even this. So for example, you have friends. They love always using the bathtub. So you can give also this like a present. Ayan, for example, your girlfriend or your husband want always to make bathtub. You can give this like a gift. Ayan, a little small gift. So ayan. Anyway, this is good. But I will recommend you, mga kalindog, much better if you're going to give the gift or geschenk to your friends. It's better this, the frog is sitting on the toilet, because this is really lucky charm, or say glue, or you know, it's what do you call that, it's lucky. Ayan, suerte. So this frog is doing the toilet and watching or doing the cell phone. So ayan guys, no, that is it, pansit. So I tell you only, or demonstrate. And this is my really lucky. So guys, there, di ba, beautiful. Ayan guys, beautiful siya talaga, oh, di ba? Meron siyang butas because of the ceramic. Ayan guys, di ba, beautiful siya. So guys, that's it, my new vlog. So thank you for watching, mga kalindog. I hope did you enjoy my video. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope did you enjoy my video. And this is Victoria, and this is Lucky. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my video. And guys, as I told you always, don't forget to smile. So bye everyone, bye. And thank you also to all my members with you guys. Thank you. Bye.